Yo, what's up guys, IrwinTech here, back at it again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Stumble Guys on your Chromebook. Before we start today's tutorial, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can hit 60,000 subscribers. Also, make sure to go follow my Twitter, linked in the description below. I post YouTube updates, random stuff, and if you're interested, the link is always in the description below. Literally, it never leaves. Also, make sure to go join my Discord server, also linked in the description below. You can chat with me and the other members, contribute to YouTube videos, and so much more, so make sure to join. Anyways guys, I'm not going to waste any more of your time, let's just get straight into the video. Hey guys, here are all the membership shoutouts for today's video. Make sure to go subscribe to their channels, and let's just get back to the video. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, please go to this website, which will be linked in the description below, and then after that, you will need to enable developer mode on your Chromebook. I will have a video linked in the description below that I made showing you how to enable developer mode on your Chromebook. There is a warning in that video, but I'm going to give a warning in this video too. Enabling developer mode on your Chromebook will make you lose all of your data, so I recommend backing it up to Google Drive or a flash drive or something like that. After that, you want to click this green download button right here. This will download the Stumble Guys APK onto your Chromebook that we will run and install the game. Once it's done installing, you want to click keep here. Even if it says it's harmful, it's not. It's just a warning Google has to put there just in case, but it's not. Then you would click show in folder here, but since mine disappeared, I can just click the time, go to my notifications, and click on it there. Then what you want to do is double click on the Stumble Guys APK. After that, when this opens up, click continue, then click install. Once it says app installed, click done. Close out of this, then click this button right here in the bottom left, or just click your search button on your Chromebook. Go up and find your Stumble Guys app and then click on it to launch. Then Stumble Guys will launch up on your Chromebook. Since I'm recording right now, it's a bit laggy, but I promise it's not. A lot of people like this game because it's a bit easier than Fall Guys and it's basically the same game. So once you have it open, you can just click play. Then when your match starts, you have to use your Chromebook's touchscreen or your mouse to control it with this bar right here. There's no keyboard and mouse controls yet. You'll just have to use this and click on the jump key to jump and use this for chat. I'll find out a keyboard and mouse method soon, but this is all I've got for now, and it's pretty easy to do, so I really hope you guys enjoy. Thank you all for watching. Here are all the shoutouts for today's video, and if you want to be featured in one of my videos, just comment down below, I subscribed, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Anyways guys, really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.